The DB database has been opened. In it, there is a products table in the design view. In this lesson, you will try using the fields of the OLE object, memo, hyperlink, attachment, and calculated types. You will also learn to work with the % format and to copy, move, and remove a designed field. First, you will add further fields of various data types to the table in the design view. Then, you will insert data to these new fields in the datasheet view. Click in the first empty row of the field name column. Type photo and click the Tab key. Select OLE object from the list of data types. The OLE object data type is used if you wish to insert pictures, for example, photos or charts, into a field. Enter a new field name, Web. Select the hyperlink data type. The hyperlink data type is used, for example, for web page addresses or for email addresses. Enter a new field with the name Product Description. Select the memo data type. The memo data type is used for entering text that is longer than 255 characters. The application permits common text formatting for fields of this type. You can insert entire files into a table as attachments. Click the vertical scroll bar and enter the new field name, Sales Overview. Select the attachment data type. There is an additional type amongst the data types, currency. This saves numbers with an accuracy of 4 decimal places. That is why calculations are not subject to inaccuracies when this data type is utilized. The currency data type also sets the currency format automatically. However, this format can also be changed. There is a difference between the number data type using the currency format and the currency data type. The number data type with the currency format set is simply a means of displaying a number with a currency symbol added to the value, whereas the currency data type determines the method to be used for working with the value. Numbers may have the % format set. Add a new field, Discount. Select the number data type. Set the % format. The % format multiplies the value of the item by 100 and adds the symbol % following the number. So if the value of the item is 0.5, for example, 50% will be displayed. Notice that the size of the field being edited is long integer. The % format would not display the set value correctly using this setting. Since percents are usually expressed as decimals of a number, the entered data would be rounded to integers with the field size set to long integer, and thereby only values of 0% or 100%, 200% would appear in the items. Select the single field size. Save the table. Only basic data is stored in the Access database tables. Other information is then derived from them by using calculations in queries, forms, and reports. A new feature in the Microsoft Access 2010 application is the possibility of carrying out calculations directly in tables. Add a new field, Discount in Euro. For the Euro symbol, type Alt and 0128. Select the calculated data type. The Expression Builder box has been opened, which is used for the easier building of calculations. You will learn about working with this window in detail in one of the subsequent lessons. This time, you will type the required expression yourself without using the tools offered in the box. You will build a calculation that will multiply the value from the unit price field by the discount. Click Cancel. In the expression row of the design grid, type UN. Double-click the offered expression Unit Price. Type *DI and double-click the offered word Discount. You can edit the entered expression at any time. If the expression were more complex, you could open the Expression Builder dialog box again by clicking the button at the end of the expression row. In the design grid, click at the end of the Result Type row. Select Single. Click at the end of the Format row and select Standard. Click at the end of the Decimal Places row. Select 2. You will now insert data into the newly created fields. Click on the View button and then Yes. Pictures can be added to a field of the OLE data type either by using the clipboard or as files using the Insert Object option. A picture does not appear in a table datasheet. It is usually displayed in forms or reports created above tables. Right-click in the Photo field in the first record. Select Insert Object. Select Create from File. Click Browse. We have opened the folder containing the picture that you were searching for. Double-click OK. In the field, the text Package has been entered. The picture has been wrapped to the database and will no longer be related to the source file unless you previously selected linking in the Insert Object box. If no form has been created above this table, the inserted object can be viewed by double-clicking. Double-click Package. Close the picture. In the Web field of the first record, type www.planking.com and press Enter. The address has been formatted as a hyperlink. The page can be activated by clicking the hyperlink. In the next step, we will add a longer item of text for you in the product description field of the memo type. You will type the text yourself or paste it using the clipboard. The next field is of the attachment data type. In the table design, this field was called Sales Overview. In the datasheet view, the field name has not appeared, and there is only an attachment symbol in the column header that you might be familiar with, for example, from emails. If you need to display a field name, with fields of this type you will have to enter it in the caption attribute. Right-click in the first record to open the context menu in the field for inserting the attachment. Select Manage Attachments. It is possible to add several attachments. Click Add. Double-click SalesOverview.xlsx. Click OK. Only the number of attachments has appeared in the item. By double-clicking the symbol of the inserted attachment, you would open the window for Attachments Management again. In the Discount field, the % format has been set. Click in the horizontal scroll bar and type 10 in the first row of the Discount field, then press Enter. 10.00% has appeared in the field, but the field value is 0.1. The value in the Discount in Euro field that has been defined as the calculated data type has been filled in by the application. When editing the table design, it is sometimes necessary to change the order of the fields, and also unnecessary fields must be removed. You will now try out one of the possible procedures for doing this. Click View. To the left of the field names in the upper part of the window, there is a selection bar. It can be used to mark the designed rows that should be removed, moved, or copied. In the selection bar, click in front of the Order field. Use the Ctrl and C key combination. Click the Unit Price field name. Use the Ctrl and V key combination. Mark the copy created of the order row by clicking the selection bar. The application has inserted a new row above the active unit price row with a copy of the order row. You would insert a new row into the design yourself by clicking on the Insert Rows button on the Table Tools Design tab. If you placed the mouse cursor in the selection bar of the marked row, you could move it to another location by dragging. We will do this for you in the application. We will move the marked design row to the end. The row is still marked after it was moved. Press Delete. In this lesson, you have familiarized yourself with some special field types and inserted data into them. You have also tried moving, copying, and removing fields in the design.